Busy girl, look in the mirror. Lucy, that's a mirror. You see that, baby? And they're spinning. Hi, Lucy. Hi. Are you playing?
Just covering her face up. Hi.
Hello. Hello. I see you over there. That's a pretty girl. That's a pretty girl. Yeah.
Are you playing?
Yeah, I'm drooling. I'm sure drooling. Oh, there's so many colors. So many colors on that new toy Santa brought. So much fun. Yeah. It's so much fun to play. Are you laughing?